What's good, peeps? It's your boy SP bringing you another dosage of positive vibes. Hey, so today I'm going to show you how to make a dish. It involves vegetables, no meat or fish. It's low FODMAP, vegan, vegetarian, very IBS friendly, and will make a whole lot, so you'll def have plenty. And don't worry about skills you didn't acquire from a book, because this recipe is so basic you'll feel like a master cook. Okay, tribe, so today I'm making a roasted veggie salad. The reason I'm doing this is because I've gotten a few requests to show one of my favorite IBS friendly recipes. This roasted veggie salad is one of my favorites because none of the ingredients trigger my IBS symptoms, and it's loaded with only healthy vegetables, so I know I'm getting in good nutrients into my system. And since I'm on a bit of a weight loss journey, this is a perfect meal for me to incorporate in my diet. Alright, so this recipe calls for a whole sweet potato chopped into half-inch cubes, 2 cups of butternut squash also cut into half-inch cubes, half of a red bell pepper, half of a green bell pepper, and half of a yellow bell pepper, all 3 cut into slices. Also, 1 green zucchini and 1 yellow zucchini chopped. Some mixed greens, preferably kale and spinach, and last but not least, balsamic vinegar and olive oil for the dressing. Okay, so first, before anything, make sure to preheat the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're going to take the butternut squash and sweet potato cubes and put them on a baking sheet, drizzled and coated with about a tablespoon of olive oil, and put in the oven for about 25 minutes or until brown. Thankfully, I was able to find the zucchini and bell peppers already chopped up and pre-packaged, so that saved me some work. If you can afford the pre-packaged veggies, then I recommend buying them just to save yourself the stress of having to cut them up. Or if you don't mind the extra work, then hey, more power to you. Okay, so then you take the zucchini and bell peppers, place them on another baking sheet, and also drizzle and coat with about a tablespoon of olive oil, and place in the oven for about 15 minutes. Once the roasted veggies are done, take them out of the oven and let them cool off for about 10 to 15 minutes. You want to make sure not to overcook the zucchini because they can get pretty soggy and unappealing to the palate. And as for the dressing, take 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar and 3 tablespoons of olive oil and mix together until well combined. In a mixing bowl, place your kale and spinach as the base. Then place the cooled off roasted veggies on top of the mixed salad. Then drizzle the dressing on top and lightly toss the roasted veggies and mixed salad all together. After that, serve and enjoy a healthy IBS friendly meal. Well, I hope you all try out and enjoy this meal. I won't guarantee that it'll cure or heal, but the most important thing is that there's no pain you'll feel, and that's just me keeping it real. Alright, Positive Vibes Tribe, if you try out this recipe, please let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, baby. Become part of the Positive Vibes Tribe. We're always accepting new members. Come on, just hit that subscribe button. Just do it. Alright, guys, as always, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, be surrounded by nothing but positive vibes. Peace.